Buying a vehicle is a very exciting experience. However, visiting a car dealership can be intimidating.
Welcome to Murray Hyundai. My name is Ian and I manage new car sales here at the dealership. We thought it'd be nice if you could see the dealership before you actually walk through the front doors.
When you visit Murray Hyundai in the Waverly Auto Mall, we believe you'll feel right at home with our warm, friendly atmosphere. That's why we created this customer experience video, to introduce you to the many faces at our dealership so that you feel comfortable visiting us, even if it is for your first time. Upon entering the dealership, we invite you to visit our reception desk where Val or Joanne will greet you, answer any questions, and get you started in the right direction. Many folks are interested in talking about a brand new Hyundai. Our reception desk will introduce you to one of our great sales professionals. Our new car sales manager, Ian, will be happy to assist and answer any questions you may have. If it's used cars you're looking for, then Alan is your man. As used car sales manager, he can give you the latest rundown of used vehicles on our lot and where you can find a great deal. For winter tires, oil changes, alignment, and more, our service manager Dale and his team will help ensure your vehicle maintenance is on the right track and up to date. This is where you will call to book any service appointments you may need. And finally, don't hesitate to say hi to our general manager Damien. He's often out on the floor speaking with Hyundai owners and introducing himself to new customers. We're proud of the family atmosphere here at Murray Hyundai, and we can't wait for you to stop by. See you soon!